Most people think changing a payment method on the Walmart app is complicated. But here's the truth no one tells you. It only feels confusing when you are in the wrong menu or using outdated steps. And that's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Searching randomly through settings instead of going directly to the wallet section where everything actually happens. In this video, you will learn exactly how to change your payment method in the Walmart app in 2026 step by step, without errors or failed checkout issues. Let's start simple. The Walmart app stores all your payment options inside your account wallet. This includes debit cards, credit cards, gift cards, and digital payment methods, depending on your region. So imagine Alex opens the app because his old card expired. He keeps tapping checkout, but the payment fails again and again. The issue is not the app. It is the outdated payment method still saved in his account. Now here's how you fix it the right way. First, open the Walmart app and make sure you are logged into the correct account. This matters because many users accidentally switch accounts and wonder why their payment options are missing. Now, go to your account section. Look for something labeled Wallet or Payment Methods. This is where all your saved cards and billing options are stored. Here's where it gets interesting. Before you add a new payment method, always remove the old one first if it is expired or not working. Keeping multiple broken cards can sometimes confuse the checkout system. Tap on the card you want to remove, then select Delete or Remove Payment Method. Once it is cleared, you are ready to add a new one. Now tap Add Payment Method. Enter your new card details carefully. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and CVV are correct. Even a small typing error can cause checkout failure later. But here's the problem most people miss. Billing address mismatch. Your billing address must match exactly with what your bank has on file. If Jake enters a different zip code or slightly wrong address, the payment may fail even if the card is valid. So double check your billing details before saving. Once added, set the new card as your default payment method. This ensures the app automatically uses it during checkout, instead of the old one. Now here's a quick step many users skip. Restart the app after changing payment methods. This forces the system to refresh and recognize your new payment settings immediately. If the change still does not show up, log out and log back in. This resets your session and syncs your wallet data properly. Also make sure your app is updated. Outdated versions of the Walmart app can sometimes fail to sync new payment methods correctly, especially after updates in 2026. Now let's quickly cover a real-world example. John changes his card but forgets to set it as default. At checkout, the app still tries to charge the old expired card. His payment fails, and he thinks the system is broken. In reality, it was just a default setting issue. So always confirm your default payment method after making changes. Now let's bring it all together. To change your payment method in the Walmart app, go to Wallet, remove old cards. Add a new card carefully. Confirm billing details, set it as default, and refresh your app or log back in if needed. So here is the simple takeaway. Most payment issues are not app problems. They are outdated cards, wrong billing details, or missed default settings. If this guide helped you update your payment method successfully, like the video, comment what part helped you most, and subscribe for more simple Walmart app guides like this.